Meaning of enamel paint.
Enamel paint.
Enamel paint.
Enamel paint.
Enamel paint. Enamel paint is a type of paint that dries to a hard, glossy finish. It is made from a combination of pigment, resin, and solvent, which produces a durable and long-lasting coating. This type of paint can be used on a variety of surfaces, including metal, wood, and ceramics, and is known for its resistance to wear and tear, as well as its ability to protect against moisture and rust. The result of using enamel paint is typically a smooth and shiny surface that is easy to clean and maintain.